of SOLWAH solar water heater. This is what we know how to do best. Amongst other things, installation of SOLWAH solar water heater. Ltrs Integrated Services Limited is your short plug on this. This is a 250 liters capacity of SOLWAH solar water heater. Like I said before, it's a device. You can watch our previous videos and our handles to find out where we explain the functions of SOLWAH solar water heater. It's a device that heats water using energy from the sun. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the sun, you get hot water heated to various degrees, 50, 60, 70 degrees Celsius, depending on the intensity of the sunlight for that day. This is 250 liters capacity. Hot water, cold water from the water source flows into this tank. As you can see, it's densely insulated to retain the temperature of the hot water for longer period of days. Now, the water flows into this tank through your water source, borehole or water board. This gets filled up, and there is a tube that comes out from here. We call it evacuated glass tube. It flows down. Actually, going to stay like this. It stays like this on this. Come through that. Stays like this. This is how it stays on the roof of the building. We do serious bracing of the legs so that it won't have any impact on your roof. That is why I'm company to do the installation so that you have a very good installation. The tubes, the evacuated glass tube follows it. Now, water now flows down. It is heated to various temperature, and it gets heated by the sunlight from sunrise to sunset, and you have your hot water heated to various degrees depending on the intensity of the sunlight. This size is suitable for 5 bedrooms and a kitchen. Common question asked by client is this: what happens during rainy season when there is no sun, or in the night in the event that the water inside this place is depleted? Fear not, this is a hybrid variant. Hybrid in the sense that it comes with an auxiliary heating element that enables you to switch to electricity or any alternative source of energy to get hot water. Now, when you switch to electricity, you can heat up this water to your desired temperature. This is a central solar water heating system. You need to have a central piping. You need to have a central piping connecting all the hot water lines. You can call us on the following number displayed on your screen to give you quotation as regards various sizes. It comes in 150 liters, suitable for 3 bedrooms. It also comes in 250 liters, which is suitable for 5 bedrooms. Then we have the bigger size, which is 300 liters for 6 bedroom duplex. SOLWAH solar water heater is your best plug to cut down on electricity costs. Cut down on your energy dependence on electricity. The sun will give you the hot water you so desires without paying a dime. Nature will take care of your hot water needs. Go to our social media handles to watch more details. Our YouTube page, Ltrs Integrated Services Limited, TikTok, or on our Facebook page. Once again, my name is Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny Solar Water Heater. My name is Ebenezer Okoye, but if you call me Benny Solar Water Heater, I will answer you. Ahamo Ebenezer Okoye. My name is Benny Solar Water Heater. Olu call me Ebenezer Okoye. Eli, mini Benny Solar Water Heater. That you know. Sunana Ebenezer Okoye. I'm going to call Benny Solar Water Heater. Then back at us. Once again, we have Ltrs, and we're good at what we do. Call us today on the following numbers displayed on your screen for your SOLWAH solar water heater. Thank you. This is how the bracket is being taken up. Gently. This is how the bracket, which is the leg of the SOLWAH solar water heater, is being taken up for installation. The next thing that we're taking up is this. This is how we take the densely insulated storage tank up to the roof to stand on the brackets for upward installation. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny Solar. Call us on the following number displayed on the screen. Thank you. We are Ltrs.